expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Salt Lake City. EagleRidge offers expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Salt Lake City, Utah, covering all surrounding zip codes such as 84101, 84102, 84103, 84104, and beyond. Whether you're looking for a complete kitchen makeover, custom designs, or expert installations, we have the experience and craftsmanship to bring your vision to life. Our services include new kitchen construction, custom cabinetry, countertop installation, flooring, lighting, plumbing, ventilation solutions, and much more. We also offer free estimates and personalized consultations to ensure your project is done to perfection. Let us transform your kitchen into a beautiful, functional space that adds value to your home. For more information or to get a free estimate, call us at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com. We look forward to helping you create the kitchen of your dreams.